Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix APC battery backup, beeping continuously, alarm lock and battery reset. Fix 1 is check for a power outage. Steps are make sure the UPS is plugged securely into a working wall outlet. Second step is check whether your home or office has lost power. Third step is if utility power is unavailable, the UPS will beep while running on battery power. Wait for power to return. Second fix is replace or reconnect the battery. Turn off the UPS and unplug it from the wall outlet. Then open the battery compartment. Make sure the battery connectors are firmly attached. If the battery is old, typically 3 to 5 years, then replace it with the compatible APC battery. Turn the UPS back on and check whether the beeping has stopped. Third fix is perform a UPS reset. Turn off the UPS, then disconnect all connected devices. Unplug the UPS from the wall outlet, then disconnect the internal battery if your model allows it. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Reconnect the battery, plug the UPS back in and turn it on. Fourth fix is reduce and overload. Turn off and unplug non-essential device connected to the UPS. Leave only important equipment connected such as your computer and monitor. If the beeping stops, the UPS is overloaded. Thanks for watching.